Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to use one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy S7 with Android 8.0. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is open Apps. Now go to Settings, go to Advanced Features, and then go to One-Handed Mode. It says adjust the display size and layout for easier control of your phone with just one hand. Alright, so now you're going to turn it on. To do that, you're going to flip the switch to the right. Alright, so one-handed mode allows you to reduce the screen size by using gesture, swipe up diagonally from either bottom corner, button, press the home key 3 times, and it allows you to show keys on screen. It says show home, back, and recents. So the default setting for one-handed mode is button with show keys on screen turned off. It says press the home key 3 times quickly to reduce the display size. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what one-handed mode looks like and how it works when it's set to button with show keys on screen turned off. So I'm going to go back to the main screen. I'm just going to press the home button. Now I'm going to press the home button 3 times to go into one-handed mode. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It says one-handed mode. Tap outside the reduced display area to go back to full screen. So as you can see, it makes the screen smaller, and you have a couple of buttons on the right side. There is an arrow button and a settings button. If you click on the arrow, the screen is going to change sides. And then you have a settings button that will take you into the settings of the phone. So I'm going to click on the settings button and it goes into one-handed mode, which is what I had opened in the settings. Now to close it, you're just going to tap outside of the screen. Alright, now I'm going to turn on show keys on screen. So I'm going to flip the switch to the right. Now I'm going to go back into one-handed mode. So I'm going to press the home button 3 times. And as you can see, you now have 3 more buttons on the bottom of the screen in one-handed mode. The first one is Recent or Recent Apps. The second one is a home button, and then the third one is a back arrow. So I'm going to click on Recents. So that gives you a list of your recent apps. Now if I click on the second one, it's going to go to the home screen. Now, if you set one-handed mode to gesture, it's going to look the exact same and it's going to work the exact same. The only difference is, instead of pressing the home key 3 times, you're going to swipe up diagonally from either bottom corner to open one-handed mode. So I'm going to set it to gesture, and I'm going to swipe up diagonally from the bottom corner. Alright, so once again that opens one-handed mode. Now I'm going to go out of the settings. So that's how you use one-handed mode on the Samsung Galaxy S7 with Android 8.0. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in my next video.